Newton's second law of motion. We do different types of activities related with motion in our daily life, such as a fielder pulls his hand backward while catching a cricket ball coming with a great speed. An athlete long jump or high jump on the sand bed or cushioned bed. Seat belts in the vehicles prevent the passenger from getting thrown in the direction of motion, etc. So what is the law behind these types of motion? Newton's second law. Now, we will discuss about the Newton's second law of motion for finding the answer to the above activities. What is momentum? We know momentum is the power of motion of an object. For example, a tennis ball hit by a player, a fast-moving cricket ball hit a spectator, etc. But according to Newton's second law of motion, which states that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied in the direction of force. For example, when acceleration is applied on a moving car, if the momentum of the car increases, which increase is in the direction of motion because the force is being applied in the direction of motion. On the other hand, when brake is applied on the moving car, the momentum of the vehicle decreases, which decrease is in the opposite direction of motion because the force is being applied in the opposite direction of motion. Now we will discuss about the above examples. A fielder pulls his hand backward while catching a cricket ball coming at a great speed to reduce the momentum of the ball with a little delay. Because the fielder increases the time during catching the ball, which the high velocity of the moving ball decreases to zero with a little delay and prevents from such fatal injury. B. For athletes of long and high jump, sand bed or cushioned bed is provided to allow a delayed change of momentum to zero because of jumping of athlete. Because when an athlete falls on the ground after performing a high or a long jump, the momentum of the velocity and mass of the athlete is reduced to zero with a little delay and prevents passengers from such fatal injury. C. Seat belts in the vehicles prevent the passenger from getting thrown in the direction of motion. Because the stretchable seat belts increase the time of the rate of momentum to be reduced to zero, which delayed reduction of momentum to zero and prevents passengers from such fatal injury.